In this part of the program, we will only show the past tense of regular verbs, meaning plus d or ed, and teach how they are pronounced. You will hear the phrase base form. This means the root word. Examples: jump, walk, watch, dance. We will not be teaching how to create the past tense in this lesson. We will only focus on reading. The past tense ending in English has 3 pronunciations:
d,
and.
it,
We will also include the pronunciation of the present tense of verbs, or the plural form of regular nouns, adding s or es. The rules are the same in reading. Again, we will only focus on reading. There are 3 pronunciations:
s, z,
and.
is.
On a personal note, since the difference between the s and z sounds is not very obvious, it is safe to use the s sound for z. This is only for the present tense of regular verbs and plural form of regular nouns. Ready? Go to the next video.